We will wait for 5 minutes, then we will start our session. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My screen is visible? Yes? Okay. We will start the session. Yesterday, we will start our fourth unit number 4. Okay. What is your unit number 4? Python standard library models and package. In this unit number 4, we will study yesterday 3 module. Import 3 module. First, calendar. Next, date time module. And next, very important module, regular expression, means RE module. And their function. Yes, we will study yesterday 3 module. Okay. In today's session, we will learn array module, how to import array module. And next one, very famous and very important module, mathematical function. Okay. Mathematical models. Okay. All of you revise the concept of regular expression every day. Okay. Array. What is meant by array? In theory, collection of similar data type, data items. Yes. Which means, for example, your books. Yes. They are having many books. C, C++, Java, data structure, database. Yes. They are having so many books in the one array. Okay. Collection of books, collection of atoms. Okay. If you are having so many books in your in this your rack. Yes. Collection of books in this box. If you are having the box, they are having the array of your box, array box. Yes. They're having the books, including your books, Java, C, C++, data structure, database. Yes, like this. Okay. And they're having the indexing uses for array element, collecting the element of array. Okay. Atom store in array is it called as an element. Okay. Indexing with the help of accessing the element of array using the index. Okay, with the help of index, we can access the element of array. Okay, we will learn it how to import array module in your Python, in the Python. Okay, we will learn it first. And next, array operation, they're having insertion, insert, delete, search, and update. Okay, they're having the 4 operation. In already you learn it, data structure, insertion, deletion, search, and update. Okay. And yes, they're having the syntax of array. Okay, from import statement. Okay, from array import start. Array name is equal to array. Type of code, type code is, it is compulsory. Okay, type code, it is compulsory in array. All of you see here syntax of array. From array import, array name is equal to array. Type code I, A, anything. And initialization. Okay, initializers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Array limit. Whatever you want to insert it element. Okay, we will see it program first. How to import array. Okay, yesterday we will see the calendar module. Yes, then we will see the date time. Next we will see the RE module. Yes, import RE module. Next, today we will see array. Yes. Good. First, we will see the simple syntax. Okay. We will see the syntax first. Import array as ARR. Okay. We can access the element. Okay. Next one, number is equal to AR dot array. Pass it type code. Type code I. Okay, and then pass it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then simple print the number. Okay, type code is I. Okay, and initializer array limit. You can pass it any element in your array. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is compulsory. Type code, it is compulsory for your passing the array. Okay, it is your type code. Okay, then import array as ARR. Number is equal to ARR dot array I. It is your type code and initializer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and print the number. Okay, and all of you know about the Vedangi run the array program. Okay, then how to access array element using the array module. Yes, how to access array element using the array module. Yes, then we will see the our second point. Write it command accessing array element. Okay, we will see the how to access element using the array module. Okay, then import it array as ARR. Okay. See here. ARR. Okay, already it is here. Okay. Click it. Okay, no any extra effort is here. Okay. Then we will print it. Number is equal to first subject. We will take it right now subject. Okay. Is equal to array dot array. Okay. And then take it AI type code I, then initializer in type code initializer. It is byte. Okay. Subject. Okay, we will take it first. Then what happened? Then we will take. We will see. DS. Then dark. And then JP. Okay. And then print simple subject. What happened? It is not text string. It is not get string. We will check it for and then we will tell you. Okay. Only take it integer format, then only run it your program. Okay. Then simple you take it here DS, then take it here JP, then we will see what happened. We will see it and then you, okay, and then we can access the element. Okay. How to access it? Element. Okay. Print the first element using subject 0. Okay. You take it 1 right now. Then what happen here? 2. First element 2. 0, 1. Means index value 1 should be print the element. Okay. Means your index value 1 element should be print here. Okay. Then next access the element print second value, second element, then subject 0, then check it here 1 element should be print here. Okay. Then we will see the how to change add element. Okay. How to change it here element. Okay. 6, 5. Suppose I want to change it 5 element. Then what will we do here? Okay. How to change the element. Okay. Import array as ARR. Okay. And take it A is equal to array I. Then initializer 1, 12, 23, 45, 67, 89. Okay. And then we will see how to change the element, how to change the indexing element. Okay. Index element. Okay. Write it here. Change the first element. First element. Okay. Then we will see how to change the first location element. Okay. 0, 1. Suppose I want to change it first location element. Then what will we do here? A is equal to, write it here, 0th location. Yes. Then write it here 90. Okay. Yes. Then print A. Then run it. 90 should be print here. Okay. 90, 23, 45, 67, 89. Okay. Then we will change it another location element, 4 is equal to 12. Okay. Then print A. Okay. Well, okay. All of you see this screen. 90, 23, 45, 67 and 12. Okay. Then we will see our next point, delete the element. How to delete element from the array. Okay. Import array as a, then they take it A is equal to A dot array I, then take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then delete del. Okay. Del. Del, take the number 2, 3. Yes. Then print number. A. Okay. Then print it here A. Index value 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Fourth element should be deleted. Okay. Yes. Then next we will delete del A 1. Then print 2 element should be deleted. Okay. how to insert, how to delete, and how to update the element into array. Okay. Yes. One should be deleted. Index value 1 element should be deleted. Okay. Means whatever you insert into one index, it is deleted. Okay. Then length. How to find length of the array? Okay. Yes. How to find length of the array? Using the length function. Okay. Print ELEN length of A. 4. It is right? Is it right? Is it right? Yes. Anyone tell me? Is it right? Yes. Yes. How many element here inserted? Yes. Anyone tell me the answer? Why only 4th length is output? Yes. Anyone tell me? Is it correct? Yes. Give me the answer. Yes. Why? Yes, it is correct. Indexing start from 0, no problem. But I am writing here index element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Then what is the length of index here? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then what is the output here? 5. But we will delete the 2 element. Yes. 2 element, we will delete it. Yes. Am I correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's why only array length is 4. Because we will delete the 2 element into a array. Yes. That's why only 4th length is output. Okay. Then we will see the insertion first. How to add the element here. Yes. Then how to delete the element here. Next one, we will search it. Okay. But your task is search the array element. Okay. I will not go through show it. Okay. Then our next point is mathematical operation. Okay. All of you perform the factorial number. Yes. All of you perform it factorial number. Yes or no? What will be logic here? Factorial number of Python. We will see the factorial number of. Yes. See here in mathematical function having the inbuilt. They are having the inbuilt package mathematical function. Okay. We will see the step by step. Okay. In mathematical function, they are having the so many modules. Okay. C Python is also there and math. Yes. Using the math module, we will use it factorial. Yes. We will study the logic of factorial number. Yes. Yes. Am I correct? We will use it. Yes or no? Using the math module, we will trigonometric function. We will solve the example using representation function. We will solve the example using math module. Logarithmic function. logarithmic function. Also solve the example using the math module. And next one, easy task. Okay, easy task, we will use it math module, then having the easy coding also. Okay, म्हणजे हे मॅथ मॉड्यूल यूज केल्यानंतर आपले बरेचसे टास्क कमी होतात. ओके, इफ सपोज I am tell you square root, find the square root of the number, then what will be do here? Yes, yes student, give me the answer. If you want to, I want to square root, I want to find the square root of the number. Okay, then what happen, what will we do here? Only go through the math function, go it. If it is available package square root, then use it directly. Okay, we will see the power of number 10 power 2. Then what is the answer here? Yes, power function. All of you know about power of number? Power. Yes? Yes or no? Okay, we will study the step by step. Okay, in Python, math model is defined as a most famous mathematical function. Already I will tell you, it is the most famous mathematical function. All are here to use it math model in every step. Okay, using the trigonometric function problem, then use it logarithmic function problem, we will use it math model. Okay, yes, we will see how to use math model in your Python. Okay, okay, sorry, we will delete it first. How to write it test here. First, mathematical model. Mathematical functions. Okay. Mathematical function. We will study the mathematical function here. Hello. Yes. Then we will see the mathematical function here. Okay. We will see the first factorial. Yes. We will see the factorial of the number. Okay. Import math. Okay. And then number n is equal to math. Yes. Available package here. Yes. Math dot factorial. Yes. Write it here. Yes. Factorial. Then write it here 5. Then print the factorial of the number n. Okay. $120. Okay. All of you understood this much part? We will see the mathematical model. See here, unit number 4. All are how to import the modules. Yes, only unit number 4 introduced in this. That's why. Okay. We will see the first calendar. We will see the date time. Okay. Next, we will see the we will see the first array, and next we will see the mathematical module. Okay, using the factorial, find the number of factorial, then use it directly, import math package, then n module. Okay, sorry, module, then n is equal to math dot use function factorial 5, then print factorial of the number n. Okay, suppose we will write it here 4, then 24. Okay, and then we will go for our second power. Okay, all of you know about power function? Yes. 10 power 2. What is the output? Yes. Ten power 2. What is the output? Okay. Then suppose 5 power 5. Then what is the output? 5 power 5. Okay. Then we will see here how to import, how to use power function. Okay. Import math. Okay. Math. Then use it n is equal to math dot power. Okay. Power means 2, 5. Okay. Then print the power of number n. Okay. What is the output here? 32. Okay. See here, I will not give it detail part. I will tell you the detail part in the all notes we will provide. No problem, no any issues. Okay. We will see first program, because of program is important. Okay. Next one, we will see the cell. Why use cell? Return the cell value. Okay, cell value. If it is negative, also print it. Yes. Cell function, also it is one function in math function. Okay, math module function, inbuilt function, cell. Okay, we will see import math n is equal to math dot cell. Okay, cell function is inbuilt function in Python. Okay, 10.27. Okay, print. I will tell you the difference. Okay, no any problem. Then the cell value is n. Okay. What is the output here? Yes. Anybody tell me? 11. Why? Cell returns a cell value x. If suppose having the n. Yes. Return the value of n. It is greater than actual value. Okay. Yes. Understood? Yes. Return the value of n greater than actual value. Yes, all of you understood? Write it into your notebook. Okay. Suppose we will change it here 11. Then run it 12. Okay. They are having the n value, actual value greater than we will print it. Okay. म्हणजे actual value पेक्षा greater than value print होते. Okay. समजलं? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके देन यूज लिहून ठेवा कुठेतरी सेल फंक्शनचा ओके ग्रेटर दॅन एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन व्हॅल्यू एक्स एन ओके म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल आउटपुट आल्यानंतर कोणतं आउटपुट येतं ग्रेटर दॅन एन ग्रेटर दॅन व्हॅल्यू एन ओके ऑल ऑफ यू राईट डाऊन युअर नोटबुक okay then we will move for our next more wait for 5 minutes hello yes all of you write down your notebook what is the cell function use what will be use it is cell function why use it in python okay math module म्हणजे मॅथ मॉड्यूल मध्ये सेल फंक्शन का यूज केलेला आहे म्हणजे काय त्याचा यूज आहे तो लिहून घ्या it returns the greater than actual value okay it returns the greater than actual value okay then absolute value all of you know about absolute value then absolute value first we will learn floor okay floor function okay how to use floor function what is it floor function then we will see the absolute value okay import math then use it n is equal to math dot floor all of you know about the floor yes yes then tell me the use of floor function yes here is it return the floor of x as an integral means this is the largest integer less than is equal to x yes all of you see this theory it is helpful for you okay return floor x as an integral this is the largest number less than x okay wait for a minute we will come here what happened Yes, all of you go for return. Return the floor of x integral. Okay, and this is the largest integer less than is equal to x. Okay, yes. What is the return flow function? We will see here. Okay, floor 10.001. Okay, then print the floor value n, then n value, print what value it is here, print here 10, means only actual value it should be print. Yes, all of you understood? Only actual value. Yes, only integral value should be print here. Yes, integer. Yes or no? Then we will go for absolute value. What will be the absolute value print? Okay. Code import math. Okay. N is equal to math dot f floor f absolute. Okay. F absolute. Then write it here 10,990. Okay. Then print the absolute value of n. Okay. Then n. $10.99 means only actual value it should be print here using f floor absolute. Okay, using f absolute float x. Okay, float x. Then won't take it. All actual value should be print here. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes. Today we will see the mathematical function. Mathematical function, it is inbuilt package. Okay. They're having so many functions like factorial, power, next one, floor, f absolute. Yes. Then we will see the first step by step. Factorial. We will take, all of you know about factorial logic. 1, 2. Yes, like this factorial. 2 factorial. Then all of you know about 5 factorial. Yes. Then we will go for next power. 2 power. Yes. Inbuilt function we will use it. Power. Okay. The power of number n. Okay. Then next we will see cell. Cell value. All of you know about what is the use of cell function? Yes. What is the use of cell function? Yes, all of you written cell function. Return the greater than value of actual value. Yes, cell function returns the greater than value of actual value. Actual value पेक्षा greater than value print होते. Yes. Then next math floor. Floor operation, we will take the natural actual value should be print. Okay. And then we will go for absolute value. Yeah, absolute. ABS means absolute key function. Okay, ABS used for absolute function. Yes, absolute value. Yes, all of you. Yeah, yes means absolute value. Okay, return the absolute value of x means all value should be print. Whatever you write it in here, actual value should be printed in your output. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes, first of
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
yes, first of all, we will go for today's session overview array. Okay, import the array module in your Python. How to import a syntax? All of you tell me syntax of array. Yes. Syntax of array. Okay. Okay. Take it screenshot of here. Yeah. Take it because of it is helpful for you. Take it screenshot. Return a new array. Those items are restricted by type code and initialize from optional initializer value. Okay. Having the array syntax, array, type code, initializer, and array. Okay. All of you take it screenshot of it. Okay. Then number is equal to array. Array type code I. It is compulsory to write it in array. If it is used, use it compulsory and initializer array element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then print the number. Then whatever you write it into your array, all should be print here. Okay. Then access the array element. Okay. How to access the array element in your Python using the array module. Okay. Import array as ARR. Whatever n, write it here n and use it. N is equal to array dot array I type code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and first element, second element, third element like this. Okay. Access the each element into array list. Okay. Then how to change the element into array. Okay. A index A of 0 index is equal to 90. Then change it first element to 90. Okay. Then print A. Then index A of 4. A of 4 means A index 4 means index size of 4. Change it this element 60 12. Change it 89 to 12. Okay. And then print it. Okay. Then we will delete. How to delete the array element into list? Okay. Using del statement. Using del statement, we will delete the array element. Okay. Then how to pass length? We will how to find the length of array. Okay. Length A. Print length A. Using the length A, we will find the length of the element of array. Okay. Then next we will see the mathematical function. They are having the famous mathematical function in Python. Because of so many packages use only mathematical module. Okay. We will not go like exp. Okay. Expression, log, there are so many function here. Okay. Only little bit 5 to 4 function we will use it. Okay. Import math factorial because it is helpful for your factorial number. Write a program factorial of a number. use it directly. Math module, use it factorial 4. Okay, then mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, then we will go for power 2, power 5. Okay, then we will go for cell. Okay, then floor, and then F absolute. Okay, how many time? Most of the time, only those function we will use it. Okay, factorial, floor, absolute, F absolute, and cell. That's why this function we will use it for performing the operation of math function. Okay, all of you having the time, take the time, log function, use it, log function, send me the screenshot of our Python programming WhatsApp group. Okay, log, and next one, exp, two homework mathematical function. Okay, log, logarithmic function, log, and then exp. Yes, all of you understood? exp and log, logarithmic function. Yes, because of this is the famous, we will use it day by day in Python. That's why we will take it famous function, we will use it in mathematical model. Okay, log, use it for from it log function, and send me the screenshot exp. Why? For exp is the expression. Okay, use it and send me the screenshot of it. Okay, all of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. लिसन केअरफुली. युनिट नंबर 4 मध्ये आपल्याला स्वतःहून काय हे करायचं नाहीये, फक्त मॉड्यूल्स इम्पोर्ट करायचे, यूज करायचे. ओके, हाऊ टू इम्पोर्ट अँड हाऊ टू यूज फंक्शन, इनबिल्ट फंक्शन इन एनी मॉड्यूल्स. ओके, आता मॅथ मॉड्यूल इम्पोर्ट केलं तर मॅथमॅटिकलचे सगळे फंक्शन आपण त्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये यूज करू शकतो. दॅट्स वाय वी विल टेक द मॅथमॅटिकल मॉड्यूल, मॅथ मॉड्यूल. ओके, all of you see this chapter name, Python Standard Library Module and Package 1. ओके, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये या चॅप्टर नेम मध्येच आहे सगळं. म्हणजे लायब्ररी मॉड्यूल, हाऊ टू इम्पोर्ट लायब्ररी मॉड्यूल अँड पॅकेजेस. ओके, वी विल सी दी फर्स्ट रेग्युलर एक्सप्रेशन, मॉड्यूल इम्पोर्ट RE. Yes, then basic date time module. All of you know about import date time module. Yes, then we will go for calendar related function. We will import calendar module. Yes, then array numeric value. Yes, see here, in your syllabus subject array, it is not here. Okay, efficient array of numeric value आहे, म्हणजे तुमचं array import करायचं आणि यूज करायचं 1 2 3 युअर न्यूमरिक व्हॅल्यूज साठी. ओके, अँड परफॉर्म ऑल ऑफ यू इन्सर्ट, डिलीट, अपडेट ऑपरेशन इन array. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू लर्न इट, इम्पोर्ट array in your package. Okay, and next mathematical module. Okay, mathematical, we will import math function, mathematical import, we will import math package. Yes, yes or no? We will import math package in your Python. Yes, and if you want to try this program, use it Colab. Okay, is it helpful for you? Yes, all of you, 3 or 5 models, we will implement it, program also, and implement theory also. Okay, they're having not much theory in unit number 4. Okay, yes, All of you understood this much part in today's session? Yes? A and B division. Why so much absenteeism is happening in today's session? Yes, 4 to 5 models we will implement till now. Okay. Then next we will go for dynamic type creation, name for built-in type, solo deep copy operation, and pseudo random number. And next functional programming module and file and directory. Okay, we will see the next session. Okay, easy point we will cover it right now. No any issue here. Yes, till now, if you are having any doubt, tell me. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi, Rahul, Rohit.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. I will revise the concept in our next session. No any problem. If you don't understand any point, we will revise the concept. Today we will revise the calendar, date, time, and next one RE module. Okay. Then we will definitely revise the concept of mathematical function also, and next one array numeric value function also. Okay. I'm so much speedy because of already 15 or 20 days remaining. Okay, that's why we will speed up. Okay. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. And for your homework, I will tell you what is the homework is here. Okay. Mathematical. Log means logarithmic function, implement, and exp. Two functions should be implemented. Okay, mathematical function, they're having the two function, log and exp. Okay, implement it and send it in your Python programming group. Okay, it is compulsory to all to submit. Okay. Okay. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. No anyone absent to write it your. Okay. Then thank you very much. You are having the nice day. Okay. And concentrate. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Session is over.